Instagram has finally added a built-in repost feature, and in this video, I'll show you how to repost posts and reels on Instagram and where to find them afterward. First, make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. Open the app and head to your home feed. You'll see the repost icon below a post, between the comment and share buttons. Tap it to share the post with your followers. It'll appear in their feeds and in a new repost section on your profile. If you want to add a comment, tap your profile picture on the left, type your message, then hit Save. Your comment will show floating over the post when others see it. In the Reels tab, you'll find the repost icon on the right next to the like and comment buttons. Tap it to repost a reel, and if you'd like to add a comment, follow the same steps as with posts. Once you repost something, a new tab will appear on your profile with the repost icon. Tap it to view everything you've previously shared. If you want to remove a repost, just press and hold the thumbnail, then tap Delete Repost. That's it. Now you know how to use Instagram's new repost feature with ease. If this was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.